Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can use about variation of parameters. So in this situation, I will divide this one into complementary solution and particular solution. About the first one, we put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. If we do first derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep about this one in here. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s and you got about lambda. Later that we do second derivative of this one and you got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have 4 lambda square e to the power of lambda s minus number 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. And now we can do about factorization by this one. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. This one we have two solutions. That's about lambda equals to 1 over 2 and lambda equals to 1 over 2. Because we have two solutions but they have the same value, so when we put about yc, we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we put 1 over 2 gone here, so we have e to the power of 1 over 2s. And now we have c number 2. Because we have same result, so we need to put about s, e to the power of lambda s, so that's about 1 over 2s. This is about complementary solution. Now let's go to particular solution, because this is about variation of parameters. So I will put about y number 1, that's about this one, and y number 2, that's about this one, and the next one I will put about 3s, that is about this one, for particular solutions. Now we can apply about Wronskian matrix. So I will put about W S equals to, we have the matrix. So I will put y number 1, y number 2, and first derivative of y number 1, first derivative of y number 2. So y number 1, that is about this one. Y number 2, that is about this one. Now if we do first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 e to the power of 1 over 2s. If we do first derivative of this one, we have e to the power of 1 over 2s plus s 1 over 2 s e to the power of 1 over 2s after we do first derivative of this one. Now we have this one multiplied by this one minus this one multiplied by this one. If we simplify, we just have e to the power of s. Now about the formula, we have y b equals to negative y number 1, and we have the integration y number 2 multiplied by f g of s, not f, over the Wronskian. That is about this one, plus y number 2, and we have the integration y number 1 multiplied by g of s over Wronskian, and we have the s. Now we just put everything in here. So y number 1, that's about e to the power of 1 over 2s. This one e to the power of 1 over 2s, L and s. We divide this one, so we simplify and you got about L and s. Now we can do similar for this one. And we have s, L and s, ds. Now we can do about this integration. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to L and s. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s dv equals to s ds. The integration of this one, we have s squared over 2. Now, so we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So s squared divided by s, you got about s. The integration of s ds, we have s squared over 2. And we put about c number 2, we have number 4. Now let's go to this one. We just use about integration by parts. So u equal to ln(s). We do first the derivative for this one. dv equals to ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration of the s, and this one you got about s. Now we combine everything in here. The next one, we divide both sides by number 4. So in this one in here, we have like this. So that means about 3s, we need to have 1/4. So we need to multiply both sides by 1/4 in here. So if we simplify this one, you will got like this. Now we combine the answer. Or this is yp, not yc. So yc, we have this one. And yp, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.